Okay, I know some folks have had an issue when searching for items, and I get bit by this as well. So I thought I'd make this short video to maybe help out a little bit. So if you're using TestTrack Client, this is sort of a blank screen right now, so I'm starting from scratch here. I've already logged in, obviously, and first thing I'm going to do is just click on the issues. Now, when the issues come up, you can see up here in the corner it's showing find results. Now, the way this works is it typically defaults to whatever the last search was that you did. Don't know why exactly it does that, and I've looked for an option to turn that off. I haven't found it yet. But anyway, when you come in here to do a search, first thing you should probably do is just go in here and set this to not filtered. That way you'll get all the issues. As you can see, there are 5,568 issues here. Then there's a couple of different ways to search from here. If you know a job number that you had an issue on, then the easiest thing to do is just go over to your job number column. And if you don't have a job number column, you can always just click this, and you can add in the column that you want. You see, there's a lot of columns available. I've got one set up for the EC department as well as the job number. But here, you'll see this little funnel up here. It's usually by default it's off, so your display will look like this. But if you hit the little funnel there, that's sort of like allows you to put restrictions on your search. And in this particular case, I know the job number, but I don't remember the specifics of the actual problem, so I'm just going to just search all the issues for this particular job number, which I know happens to be 1235. So I type in 1235. I'm just going to say match phrase here. And also, well, actually, that narrows it down to just the 1235. And then, of course, I can go over here, and now that my list is much shorter, I can zoom in and find the one that I'm looking for. Now, the ones that are in gray are the ones that are closed out, but that doesn't mean you can't look at them. I mean, you can still open this up and look at it, which is what I'm doing right now, so you can see all the details. So that's one way to search. Second way to search is always go back to your not filtered, so you have you know all the issues available, and then you can go down here and you can actually type in the job number down here. You just want to make sure you've got the limiter here set to all text. You can choose. If I just want to search by job number here, I can search by job number, or I can search on any text. In this case, I'll just do all text. Hit find. It goes away. Of course, it comes back, and as you can see, the issue shows up here as well. Then we'll go back and I'll show one more example. I'll go back to not filtered. And again, we'll just assume that I know the job number. Alright, let's just assume I don't know the job number. How about that? Let's type in something like waveguide switch. Now, I'm not sure that phrase appears, but I'm going to try that. So we'll give it a go. Yep, sure enough, waveguide switch failed. So, there's just so many different ways to search. Like I say, you can, for me, I kind of like using the funnels up here because you can just type in exactly what it is you want to search for. But if you just, kind of sort of know what you're looking for, for example, if I want to search the job number, I type it in down at the bottom. I go here, I say EC job number, hit find, and again, it immediately takes me to just the 1235, or in this case it's 1235 and 1233, because those jobs were both the same type of systems, and this is the folder they're stored in. But yeah, there's a lot of different ways to search. I'll also do a video on TestTrack Web showing the same sort of thing.